Why would anyone want to make their own bait? It's time-consuming. It doesn't really save you much money. You can buy a kilo of boilies for $15. And it can make a real mess of your kitchen. But there are some real benefits to making your own bait. Firstly, and most importantly, making bait is fun. Catching fish is always fun. But just like tying your own flies or making your own lures, the thrill of catching a fish on a bait you made yourself raises the fun factor to a whole new level. Plus, you have complete control over what ingredients go into your bait, whereas you have no idea what chemicals, preservatives, or fillers are in a bait you buy online. By making sure your baits have nutritional value for the fish and the right amount of attractants, you can make a better bait than anything you could buy. And all the ingredients you'll need can be found at your local grocery store or Walmart. In this book, I'll give you some simple but effective recipes and tips to get you started on your carp fishing journey. I'll leave a link to purchase the book in the comments. Carp fishing doesn't have to be complicated. Due to the unpopularity of carp fishing here, many of the carp in American waters have never seen a bait or rig, so they're unaware of the danger. That's sure to change fast as the popularity of carp fishing continues to grow. But for now, a simple hair rig and feeder setup, or even just a hook and split shot is all you need for a day of bent rods and screaming reels. Oh, and of course you'll need bait. Good luck out there.
As big as
that's Uncle Henry's nephew.
The other one that I caught last time.
I think he's done, Ray.
Are you giving up already?
Ho ho! Look at that thing, dude. Yeah.
It's a nice fish, Way. Keep your rod tip high and reel slowly, slowly, slowly. Stop reeling, stop reeling, stop reeling. Oh my gosh, Way, you got a big fish. This is gonna be the biggest fish you ever caught. Be strong.
Okay,
Strong.
turn this way. Okay. Can you hold it like really high?
No, I can't. No, I can't.
Do it, do it.
You
Go
got
on,
it,
be
you got
strong. Higher, 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 higher. The rod tip a little higher. And pull him to the left because he's crossing over this line and it could be a big mess. Can you? I mean, as much as you can. Don't force him if you can't.
Yeah, I think I'm getting it over here.
Okay, reel. Try to keep his nose up so he doesn't go underneath the